Hey guys, I'm coming to you real quick with a haul video. It consists of the 99-cent store, Ulta, Marshalls, and Sally's. So from the 99-cent store, I looked up on the Seche Natural matte finish treatments. Yes, 99 cents. So I got 2 of the natural. This is a seche base. This is rich filling base coat, but a base coat is a base coat to me, especially if it's going on top of gel or acrylics. So I got 3 of these. And like I said, these were at the 99-cent only store. Then Sally's, I got some Eco Styler, black castor oil, and flaxseed oil. It was $5.99. Can't wait to try that out. I know a lot of people have said that they've had issues with it flaking. So I'm gonna see how that works for me. It smells so good. And then also I got some eyelashes by Allure, the dramatic number 205s. If you can see. And then it comes with the attachment in here. Now you guys know I've never put eyelashes on, so this would be a first. This is something I'm trying to do. And I got some eyelash adhesive. This was $4 or $5.99, and these were $9.99. But I used my Ultra Rewards points, and I only paid $1.06 for these. Marshalls was next, and I took the stickers off, and I put them on an envelope, so I would have them. And these were the prices I paid. So first I got Anastasia Beverly Hills waterproof cream color in sable. I ripped the box, but I have not opened none of this stuff. I just wanted to make sure it was new. I've only used Anastasia's lip color. This cost me $6.99. I also got some Kat Von D color corrected eyeshadow primer. So that's what it looks like. This color is deep. They only had deep and I think tan, but I got the deep. Then I got an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Naked. Prime it up a little bit. I'm going to swatch. But I love these because they last very, very long. When I used to work at Ulta, I would put this on and I would not have to touch up. Alright, so that's Naked. And I also got another one in Vamp. Swatch that. That's pretty too. The other one that I have was given to me by my cousin. And it's like a magenta type color. Not even magenta, it's like a mauve. And ever since then I have been in love with these. The Anastasia liquid lipsticks were $6.99. The Kat Von D was $4.99. And lastly, I got a contour cream kit in Deep by Anastasia Beverly. These are the colors. Most people, when they go into Marshalls, they see how nasty the makeup is and you have to like really dig through to find out what you want to get. But actually my store really wasn't. That's what that looks like. Couple swatches. That was a bad swatch right there. Okay. The side of my finger for this one. The lap of my hairy arms. There's that one. Alright, so those are swatches of those. Alright, so this is everything that I got on my beauty haul today. I'm pretty excited. I'm going to total up how much everything I bought today cost. me, and I will put it in this video. Hope you guys enjoy this haul. You guys have a great day. So see you guys. Bye.
Like, subscribe.